Hey everybody, I just came to do the cash envelopes for Billy and Layla. They put out a total of $406. So let's go ahead and count that out. We have 100, 50, 200, 50, 20, 40, 60, 80, 350, 360, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 400, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so we're going to start out with their tithes. And this is the tithe envelope. For tithes, they had $156.50. We're going to go ahead and just round that off to $157. So I'll take a large bill. 50, 5, 6, and 7. 1, 50, 5, 6, 7. $157 for the tithe envelope. Okay, and there we go. We have their tithes. Next, we have their energy bill, and for their energy bill, that is $37.50. So we're just going to go ahead and do 37. I'll pull 50 cents for them. 20, 30, 5, 36, and 37. 20, 30, 5, 6, 7. And that's for their energy. So we're going to go ahead and move back, Mama. You say hi.
Hi.
Okay. In our last video, you would have seen that they did go ahead and cancel their internet and Wi-Fi. So we're going to go ahead and just set that to the side. For their groceries, we have $125. So
grocery buy
51, 25. So that's 50, 125 for the groceries. Oh, please don't mind my nails. I had a rough week with my nails. And for gasoline, they have $50, 20, 40, 50. Get back, Mama. Move back. $50 for gas. For toiletries, our household, they had $37.50, 20, 30, 5, 6, and 7. If you recall in our last video, they didn't have money for allowance. So we're going to set this allowance envelope to the side, and maybe next pay period if they pick up some additional income, or if they get assistance to help relieve some of the other bills that they paid, they'll be able to have additional money for their allowance or savings. If you like these videos, please tune in. I'll be coming out with a cash envelope or a budget video each week is my goal. So please tune in. Thank you for watching our cash envelope video. We hope to see you next week.
Comment, thumb up, subscribe.